propane. All right, so they said it's clicking. We're on propane. And let's see what it does. Just turned it back on. Juicer motor starts. Disconnect the main valve, see if the pilot stays lit. No. Flame sensor, that flame. See how yellow that flame is? Let's try cleaning the flame sensor. If not, I think it's going to be this control module. Don't look crusty. Doesn't look too crusty. But let's get this cleaned up really quick. Yeah, a little baby flame sensor. I do not think this is it, but it needs a cleaning. Let's see. Okay, we're nice and clear, nice and clean. That goes in. Nope, I got the wrong side. Like, what's going on here? Stick the sensor back in. Well, let's give it another shot. Let's give it another shot. Didn't help my measures at all. Set voltage. Probably won't even catch it. sending voltage to the main valve. It's like, let's see if I get anything in any amperage draw on the main valve. Nothing. It's got a bad module. See if I got one on the truck. Well, I didn't have that S86 control on the truck. Usually I do. I don't know. Probably gave it to one of the other guys. So I'm gonna have to get back and get the control. But this furnace is from 1998. I don't know if she's gonna want to put any money into it. It's not that bad a shape, but we'll see what she wants to do. 98, so that puts it at 25 years old. So really couldn't check the heat exchanger. I got the camera in there, but I couldn't see anything. Ran out of battery. So let's see what she wants to do. Well, I gave her the option of repairing it, or, you know, on their 25-year-old furnace, or replacing it. And then she asked me, well, if I do the repair, how long are you going to guarantee it for? I'm like, well, the part I'm going to guarantee for 90 days. I go, what do you want to do? She's like, what else can go wrong with it? I'm like, well, it's a 25-year-old furnace, you know, I can't guarantee anything. It's like a 25-year-old car. So, you know, she weighed her options. Her daughter was there. She called her son. She's like, just install a new furnace. So I gave her a price on a new furnace, and that's what she went with. It's a small 50,000 BTU furnace. It's not really that expensive compared to something else. I'm not going to stick her with any high efficiency. I'm going to stick her with an 80% efficient furnace because the house is maybe 900 square feet, if that. And she won't see the benefit of having a high efficiency furnace. There's just no way to get your payback on it. You know, you're talking X amount of money difference between the 80% and the 95%. You're just not going to see the benefit of it. There's no benefit. So she's going to go with the 80% efficient furnace. She's going to go with single stage. I mean, there's no reason to do anything two-stage or anything of that sort, because if you're running two-stage on a 50,000 BTU furnace, you're running at 25,000 BTUs. There's just no benefit to it. So gave her the option for both, and she's just like, whatever's down there, replace with, you know, the comparable unit that's down there. So that's what we're doing. She just didn't want to go with the repair. She knew it was 25 years old. She was ready. So that's it for this one. You guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFund Me, the Zelle, the Venmo, the Amazon wish list for my son that is done with cancer. Still trying to dig out from the bill, so. And we will see you on the next one.